On May 11, 2023, Flagler County Sheriff's deputies encountered a woman later identified as 42-year-old Bree Ann Gadoury after residents reported she was riding a bicycle against traffic and vandalizing vehicles.
Come here, now. I'm not playing with you. Come here.
I have been playing with y'all for years.
Come here, right?
After 205, here for begin clearing. 2023.
Come here, now.
Okay, you're not gonna touch me.
Get on the ground now. Get on the ground. Get on the ground now.
Listen, you're gonna let me go.
Lay on the ground.
You're gonna let
Lay
me go
on your
and all
stomach.
your f***ing footage
Lay on
on the
your
TV
stomach.
shit?
Lay on your
No,
stomach.
you're gonna bring out all your f***ing producers right now. All your f***ing TV shits, you're gonna bring them out now. Bring them out f***ing now. Bring it out now. You're gonna bring them out now. Nope. All your f***ing producers, you better bring them out now.
Negative. I'm trying to get her secured. She's resistant.
Yep, you better bring them out. Bring them out.
You can for now.
Yep.
Put your hands behind your back. Do it now.
No. You can go
What are you doing this for?
because y'all are f***ing videoing me. You know you are. I told you to stop for
Okay.
years. You're not f***ing stopping.
Put your hands
You're
behind your
gonna
back.
f***ing stop.
I'm gonna
come through with it.
you're playing with me now. Now I'm not playing with you. Put your hands behind your back. Do it now. Put your hands behind your back now. You're gonna get tased if you don't put your hands behind your back. You know it, right?
More for your TV?
Yeah, you think so?
More for TV? More for TV, right? Is that what it is? That's what it is. That's what it is, right?
Don't move.
That's what it is? More for TV? Huh? That's what it is? Is
Don't move. I'm telling you now. You're gonna
What
get
the
tased if you don't stop.
that what it is? That's what it is. More for TV, right? Yep. More for TV. You f***ing losers. You f***ing losers, man. I'll be a TV show. I'll be a f***ing TV show, huh? You f***ing red f***ing haired f***ing prick.
I'm not the one.
Done.
Battery on Leo too. Now
Yeah.
you just got 2 charges.
Oh, woohoo.
Good job.
Yeah, you'll know that call.
Just 1 second, okay? I'm just
Yeah.
gonna be here for a witness, okay?
Be on TV. Be on TV.
224.
That's why you stopped, so you could be on TV, right? Yep. 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 Guess what? You're f***ed. You're so f***ed, all of you.
224 Flagler, did you copy?
Yep. I copied whatever you shot in my fucking eyes.
10-4, you can clear the channel. Stand up.
Nope.
Stand up or I'll drag you there.
Guess what?
The choice is yours. Let's go. Alright, we can sit here all day then. I ain't got nowhere to go.
Me neither.
Lay there.
Me neither, you f***. Yeah, you shaking now, ain't you, you little f***ing pussy
You're
ass?
crazy. You think I'm scared of you.
Yeah, little pussy.
Relax.
Little pussy.
Didn't work out well for you though, did it?
Yeah, didn't work out well for you.
Okay,
It ain't
you just-
gonna. Think about the long run, buddy.
Yeah, okay.
Yeah. Think about the f***ing long
It
run.
didn't work out.
It didn't work out for you.
Okay.
Guess what? I'll be out and I'll be f***ing shining.
Okay.
You're gonna be f***ing in dog shit.
Okay.
Yep. Shoveling shit the rest of your life. Worthless piece of shit.
She's kicking and stuff, so
Okay.
watch out.
Hey, check this out. We're gonna stand you up, put you in the car. You start kicking,
Hey,
you're going
check
right
this
back
out.
down on the ground.
That's
You
where I want to
understand?
be. That's
You
where I
wanna
want
be
to
back on
fast.
the
That's
ground?
where I'd like to be.
I
So
figure out
have
she-
fun
she
with
started
that.
kicking. I'm gonna cut this backpack though.
That's fine.
Or do you have a knife? Can you cut this
I
backpack?
sure do.
Yep. Well, you guys didn't go to much schooling, did you? You didn't have much schooling, did you? You didn't have much schooling, did you?
Alright, come on. Just leave her on the side until we get somebody else here.
Oh, that's what you tried to hit me with, huh?
Oh, shit.
That's not what I tried to hit you with.
I watched you swing it at me. What are you talking
Are you
about?
kidding me? I was the vape, you dummy. Yeah. I couldn't though.
Where'd you pick that up from?
I didn't pick that up. I threw that.
You see? No, that though. You seen that right there, right?
Oh yes, that's what she was stabbing the guard with.
Okay.
Okay. Get in the car. Don't even start. Get in the car.
We got someone at 15. We're trying to get them in the vehicle right
Hey.
now. Just set her back down. Hey, you're done. Do you understand?
So are you. Do you understand?
You're done. You're gonna go in this
You're
car.
done. Do you understand?
That's exactly what it is. You got a hobble? Or do you have a hobble? I have a hobble. We need it. Yeah. Yep. You're good. You're good. Simple.
Female is still resisting. You alright?
Yeah, I'm good.
Okay, I'll have more tempo.
I'm almost positive that that's what scratched my leg, though.
Don't you kick me.
I'll f***ing do what I want.
No, you won't. You're gonna get tased.
Yeah.
You're going me. Come on, man. Don't even start. Don't even start.
Start with your ass.
It hurt?
No, it doesn't. You know what? You know what's gonna hurt? Is y'all done.
Oh.
So done.
If I
That's
gotta.
the thing. I know that you're all jokes.
Okay.
You're a joke.
She got out of
All of you.
Put the hand behind your back.
I'm going less lethal. I'm going less lethal, Cabbage. You're good.
I'm gonna tase you if you do not put your hands behind your back. 1, 2,
Ma'am?
3.
Taser, taser, taser!
Ow!
Put your hands behind your back. Put your other hand behind your back. Do it right now. Put that other hand.
You're. You know that? That's what you need? That's what you gotta do? You're a You're a
Don't take taser
all
before.
of this.
That's double lock. Hold her hand.
That's what you gotta do. That's what you are.
Take your time, take your time.
Just wait. Just wait, dude. Just wait. Your welcome home party is
Double
gonna
lock
be
it, double lock
fun.
It is double lock.
Your welcome
Make
home
sure this
party
one
is
is
gonna be fun.
Yeah, alright.
Yeah, you're a real officer? Yeah, okay.
You got her good?
They're not real officers. Listen, when this is done, you're all You hear me? You're and you're all
If I had $1 for every time someone told me
Yeah,
that,
for every time somebody told you that,
I could
you
retire
wait.
now.
Goddamn wait. Yep.
Sounds good.
Ready?
Go the other side.
No, I know. We gotta
adjust her.
flip her.
Only her on her stomach.
Turn this way.
No.
We're trying to help you. Turn this way.
Yeah, no. You're trying to help yourself.
Okay.
No, we're trying to help you, man.
No, you're trying to help yourself because you're not allowed to leave me on my stomach, you dumb f***. I'm not stupid.
Yeah,
So go f*** yourself.
Exactly.
You're gonna go tase me again so I can Yeah, you're gonna go tase me again? Yeah, no, fuck you. Fuck you, dude. Fuck you. No, where's all the cameras? Bring them out. They're f***ing all over the place. Listen, you.
You good?
You got your ID on you? We're gonna give you a quick forward statement.
Yeah.
So you can just write down what happened.
Yeah, I'm on that call outside, and hopefully that's somebody's. I'm gonna watch and see, but.
That's the same type of fix-a-flat tire plug repair tool, T-handle reamer, plug insertion tool, that deputies say she pulled out and tried to stab the officer's leg with.
Just be careful. Yeah, I knew she was holding something in her hands. I knew it.
Who's she trying to hit?
She was scratching cars.
This guy was.
Yeah, she was just going by scratching all these vehicles, and then I tried to traffic stop right here. She cut across the field, then she started running this way, so I just came this way, and then I brought her to the ground. She started resisting, kicking me. I felt something scratch my leg, and then after I get her secured, he's like, "Hey, look at this," and this is that little shank that she was holding.
Did you already check your leg?
Yeah, it's just a red spot. There's no scratch or anything, no.
All? That doesn't really specify. Okay. I understand that they stunned you. They tased you.
Yeah, that didn't fucking... Yeah, listen, I never lose my head. Everything's wrong with me. Take me.
She's saying everything. She's not giving a specific...
She's hobbled? No.
I don't
know. Her feet together?
Her feet is together, but she's sitting, well, as you can see, she's hobbled, but she got out of the cuffs once.
You want us to bring a third canine or something? He's working on paperwork right now. Ma'am, are you going to be compliant?
Are you gonna be compliant? Fuck yourself. Go fuck yourself. I don't know you. Get the fuck out my face.
Alright, that's how it's gonna go.
I think she should probably be able to tolerate transport in the back of the cruiser over to the hospital unless we want.
If that works with us, if you think she should go, then yeah.
I mean, she's not cooperative, but she's just saying the same thing over and over again.
Ma'am, we're going to take you down to the hospital,
Okay.
All
They'll ask is what we don't give a fuck about and all that good shit that we don't give a fuck about.
There's no history with her.
You ID'd her?
No, I don't have her ID, but there's a
No, they just know everything because I'm on fucking TV. That's why. Because you're on TV. That's why we know everything about her and we're wearing our little body cams and all that good fucking shit.
Did you check David to see if she lives at that house or something?
No.
Alright, so go ahead to the hospital, take Zalac, and then let security know ahead of time that we're en route, see if they can get a wheelchair out. And then comfort the wheelchair, bring her in.
I think either Lima's already doing paperwork.
Lima, would you mind going to the hospital with these guys? Protecting them? Would you? Is that okay? If you don't mind. All right.
You want me to go? Christmas.
No, let's
paperwork to do.
Yeah, let's have you stand by with all this stuff. She's trying to get it off the cuffs.
That's the belt from the thing.
Alright, I just want you to that way.
Yeah. All right. We're only going to do what's safe. So, like, we're not going to accommodate this lady.
Yeah. Yeah, she's extremely combative, so.
Can we get a gurney instead, or? I've got the gurney in this case.
Might be a better idea.
We're grabbing a bag. It includes restraints and stuff. Anyone? No. No? Nothing? Jane Doe?
As of right now.
I gotta go home, but I'm hanging out now, I guess.
I'm headed. Where you going? Nothing. Where you going? You can't go nowhere yet.
I know.
Duty calls.
I was on.
That'll work.
We're gonna have to get cuffs.
You're gonna get cut. How do you want to?
Where are your cuffs? Right here, but I don't know. Wait, just hold off on it. I don't know how.
What's her name? What's her name?
Ma'am, what's your name really quick? We got to tell the hospital.
Oh, okay.
What is your name?
What is your name?
I'm Deputy Zayla.
What is your name?
Deputy Zayla.
What is your name?
Deputy
What is
Zayla.
your name?
Okay, I'm not doing this. Are you going to come out?
Sure.
I'm going to just pull your feet to make it easier.
Oh,
okay?
yeah. Make it easy. Make it f***ing easy. That would be f***ing wonderful. Make it easy? Yeah, you're trying to make it easy. I know, Mr. fucking
All right,
Zella rat.
how about that?
How about I don't need you fucking at all? How about that? None of you. That would be great. Let me go. I don't need none of you. It's kind of hard to walk when my feet are tied together, you fuck. What do you expect me to do here? You expect me to move or what? Pretty smart. I'll just sit here, I guess. With the smart guys. What do you expect me to do? My feet are tied together.
We want to help you to the gurney.
And how is that? How am I supposed to move, you dizzy?
We're going to assist you to the gurney. That way you get there safely.
I don't see any assistance.
Well, when they're ready, we'll be ready.
Pretty sure they're ready.
Well, not yet. Not yet, almost.
Almost, yeah, those straps. I get those straps in. Like I won't get out of them. Alright, whenever you're ready.
Alright.
Oh, damn, look at that. The feet are stuck together. I can't move them. They don't know that. They're dumb. You guys are go back to school. Ignorant you are. Yeah. All of you. Not just you, sir. Yeah.
What began as a routine response to a disturbance quickly escalated when the suspect resisted arrest and attempted to assault deputies with a sharp tool. Bodycam footage captures the tense moments officers worked to bring the situation under control before taking her into custody. She now faces multiple charges, including aggravated battery on a law enforcement officer and resisting arrest with violence. Incidents like this show how quickly encounters can turn dangerous and why body-worn cameras play a critical role in documenting the facts. If you found this breakdown helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more real body cam footage and case breakdowns.